Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Annalise, and in today's video we are doing another shopping challenge. It's been a long time since I've done one of these, but I've noticed the trend floating around the internet where people go online shopping with the inverted filter on. So I'm not too sure who started this trend. I personally saw Blair Walnuts do it, and so I will link her video down below because that is where I got the inspiration for this video from. But if you're not familiar with the concept, basically you go online shopping on your phone on a website, but instead of just like going through and being able to see everything normally in all the beautiful colors, you do it with the inverted filter on, making everything look super funky. So you pretty much don't know what colors you are buying your items in and kind of have to guess. So I absolutely love online shopping, and I always love a good challenge, so I thought why not give it a go. So I filmed the shopping part a couple of days ago and the items have just arrived. So we're going to cut to me shopping. Just fair warning, I don't have a fake tan on, so I'm very pale in the next clip, but let's do it. Alright, so I have my phone right here and I have made all of the colors inverted. As you guys can see here, it's probably going to be a better view, but I am going to shop on Princess Polly. So let's go into that. Oh, you can see I was googling how to invert my phone, but Princess Polly is my favorite website right now. This sounds sponsored. It's not. I have done sponsored content with them in the past, but this is not sponsored at all. I just genuinely love their clothes. So we're going to go on their website and see if I can hopefully find some cute outfits to wear. Well, I mean, they're going to be cute, but it's kind of like, I don't know what color they're going to be. So let's just have a look. So I know that Princess Polly has some really gorgeous two pieces. So I'm going to have a look at their sets and cohorts because y'all know I love a good set and cohort. And we're going to see what in here I like. So there are so many cute clothes. However, it's hard to tell if they're cute or not without seeing the color. Now some of these do say the color, like this says Stephanie Satin Set Khaki. I'm not going to cheat and use that. So I'm not going to get anything where it says the actual colors. But I don't know what I want. I do though want some more casual wear. I have a lot of like dress up clothes, but if I'm just doing something casual, I don't really have that much. So that is mainly what I'm looking for here. Stop. There's a plaid here and I am obsessed with plaid. Okay, so it says that it's blue/beige in the description, but I can't see what it looks like, and I am obsessed with plaid, so I think that I'm gonna get this cute little set. Well, I'm hoping it's cute. It looks cute in the photos. It's like an orange and blue, but, well, it looks kind of ugly in the photos, to be honest, but that's because it's got the inverted filter on. So I'm gonna add that to my bag, and I'm also going to get the matching top if they sell it. Okay, there we go. I found the top. I am going to go ahead and add that to my cart as well. Okay, so we're just gonna look through dresses now. So let's go into party dresses because it's me. I love party dresses. Oh, I love that. I absolutely love this design where it's like got the halter neck and then it's got the sleeves. It is so incredibly trendy. Am I cheating though, because it says here that it comes in black, like it says the color. I wish it didn't say that. And it's from a nice brand, Lioness. I think that's a bit cheating since it says the color. So I'm not gonna get that, even though I want it so bad. I'm not gonna get it because I feel like that's cheating. I'm gonna pick something where it doesn't say the color. Okay, so there are two dresses here that I'm tossing up between. First of all, there is this cute one shoulder mini dress. So it doesn't say what color it is, and it looks to be pretty cute. Like, I don't have any mini dresses with just one shoulder, so I do love that. However, there is this other dress that I'm eyeing off on here that's from Jagger & Stone, which is a really good brand, and they recently, I'm pretty sure it was them that recently did a collab with the Veronicas, and love the Veronicas. Were you even born in Australia if you don't love the Veronicas? So I am partial to Jagger & Stone now, but that dress is gorgeous, but it's a bit more expensive because it's from like the nice brand. It's $140 Australian, so that's a lot. It looks cute though, and like the puffy sleeves. I just don't know what size, I mean, I know what size it is. I just don't know what color it is, but I don't know. Which one should I go with? I'm just trying to think about which one I would probably wear more, like one with the sleeves or one with only one sleeve. I'm thinking I'm gonna go with the one with one sleeve because I don't have anything like it, so it'll be interesting. So let's go size 6 and add to cart. All right, now that we have a dress, I just want to look at tops because Princess Polly always has the most gorgeous tops, but not being able to see the color, we shall see what I find, because I love this website, but not everything is something I would wear, obviously. So let's just see if I can find a cute little top. Oh, stop. I absolutely love that top. Oh my goodness. With the tie up all across here. Stop, that's so edgy. I don't think I have the boobs to pull it off, and I can already see that it's in the color black, so I'm not going to get it because I've seen the color and I'm not meant to. But Oh my goodness, could you imagine that? That's hot. I love that. That's what I mean. And Princess Polly lately is just really up to their games and has the cutest pieces. But anyway, I need to keep looking. I need to find a top. Okay, I think that I found something super cute that doesn't say the color. It is a Powerpuff Girls t-shirt. So I loved Powerpuff Girls growing up. I was obsessed with it. What are the names? Blossom was my favorite. Now that I'm older, I feel like I don't know, actually I still think I'm more of a Blossom, but this is super cute. I'm gonna add that to cart. M to L, that'll work because I want it to be baggy. So that is pretty much everything, but before I check out, I do want to look at their accessories because they have the cutest accessories ever, and I feel like this will be a great opportunity for me to get something that I wouldn't normally buy because I can't see the colors. So let's just have a look through the accessories and see if there's anything that is calling out my name. Okay, so instead of looking through all of the accessories, they actually have a bunch of categories here. So I am thinking we look at belts. I really need, oh, belts and hats is what we're gonna look through. We'll do belts first because I need a new belt. I mean, I don't need a new belt. I want a new belt. So let's just see. Oh my gosh, okay. This is intimidating without seeing the colors, but let's see if there's a pattern that draws my attention in. This one is cute. Jinx Diamante belt. Is it cheating because it's Diamantes? I'm gonna go with no because I think it's super cute, so I'm gonna add that to my cart. I don't know if it's gold or silver or rose gold though, so technically I still don't know what it is. So now let's look at hats because I'm not a hat person. I never wear hats, but they are super trendy, so I'm just gonna have a look. Let's just see if in the inverted filter I'm drawn to anything in particular. First off, I'm feeling intimidated. I don't wear hats. Okay, can we talk about how scary these people look with the inverted filter on? Like, that person looks terrifying. Poor gal. I'm sure it's a beautiful photo, but this filter, oof, oh no. I'm not liking any of these hats. Oh, that's kind of cute. That's cute. Oh, it's not gonna be in this color, is it? Well, you know what, we're just gonna see how it looks because in that black and white, in the inverted filter, that could look cute and I could see myself wearing that. So I think I'm gonna add this to my cart. All right, so with that, I am going to check out. So in the end, I ended up with the really cute hat, the super cute Diamante belt, the Powerpuff Girls dress, the Jocasta mini dress, and the Gorge two-piece. So I'm really interested to see how these look. Princess Polly is super fast shipping, so I will check back in with you guys when it gets here, which is probably tomorrow, if not the next day. All right, it is now actually just the next day and the Princess Polly package has arrived. So their shipping is incredible. So let's open it up and see what I ordered. I am interested, to say the least. There are so many gorge items here, but we're gonna kick this off with the first one that I purchased, and that is the plaid set. So this is the color and I wasn't expecting this. So let me just open them up and get it out of the plastic, so I know the plastic sound is really annoying. This set is gorgeous. So as you guys saw, I knew that it was going to be brown and blue, but I did not expect it to look like this. I honestly thought that the colors were going to be a lot more vibrant and a lot darker. So that's not a negative against it. It's just what I thought when shopping online with the inverted filter on. But I love this crop top. I think it is so incredibly cute. And then of course the matching little shorts. Oh, they are so adorable. So definitely not the color that I expected. I also thought that this bit would be white and like the background would be white. Instead it's like a nice beige color, and I actually love this so much. I really think it's so cute. It's so incredibly soft and it'll just be a great work from home outfit that'll still be super cute, that honestly I could wear this out and about as well, you know. So let's go try it on and see what we think. This is what the outfit looks like on, and you guys, I am obsessed with it. So this is the front and this is the back. So I'm gonna try and make this quick because I am melting wearing this. It's autumn in Australia, but it's still pretty much summer weather, and this is definitely not a summer set. I'm going to keep it for winter when it's a little bit cooler and I'll be able to actually wear this. So I want to make it quick because I am sweating, but I am obsessed with this. It's so gorgeous. I have left it undone a little bit to show a little bit of cleavage. I don't have much, so when I get a chance to show it, I am all about it. But you could also do it up if you don't want to show it off, and I just love it so much. It's so like in my style of being super preppy. So I really don't know if I would have bought this if it wasn't for the inverted filter, because it's not a color I would usually go for. These sort of colors don't always suit me because they're so pale, and usually I'm so pale, but I fake tanned last night. My legs aren't looking that great, so please excuse that, but because I fake tan, they actually suit me really well, and I am so happy with this set. So I am definitely keeping this one, and I'm so happy that I did this challenge and found it because it's so cute and comfy. The next item I purchased with the inverted filter on was of course the Powerpuff Girls t-shirt. I have been really excited for this in the past 24 hours since I ordered it because I love the Powerpuff Girls, and I was just so excited to see what colors this was. So it It is in a tie-dye pattern, which is so cute. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Oh, I love, and it's so vibrant. Oh, and the little Powerpuff girls are like the graphic design where it's all kind of scratched up. I love it. So as you guys saw, I had no idea what this was gonna look like, and tie-dye was definitely not what I expected, but I really like it. So I had to get this in a big size, a size medium, but I think this will be great with like bike pants underneath, and I can wear it as a cute little dress, and it's so gorgeous. Here we have the Powerpuff Girls shirt on. So this is the front and this is the back, and I really love this top. However, I don't like it with bike pants, so I put them on because that's what I said I'd style them with, but they just don't look as good. So I'm gonna change into a cuter outfit with this top. Ta-da! This is how I would style this top. So I've just tucked it in, and it's still a super cute outfit, but it just goes to show with baggy oversized tops, sky's are the limit on how you want to style it. But this is my personal preference. So I love this top so much. I do think it's a little bit expensive. I know that it's a licensed tee, and those always cost more, but it is a lot of money, but I like it nonetheless. And again, it's not something that I would have purchased had I not done this challenge, and I really think I'm going to get a lot of wear out of it, because casual shirts like these that are still super stylish and cute, I love to wear on like days when I'm not doing too much. Like today, this would be a perfect little outfit. So I'm obsessed. So you can wear it like this, or if you wanted to wear it out over the top as well, you can totally do that, because it is such a baggy cute tee, and I love it. The next item that we have is this one here, and I do not remember ordering something like this with the inverted filter on. So, oh my god, is it a hat? Wait, yes I do actually remember ordering this. Hang on, let me open it up. I remember now. Okay, so this literally looks like what it did on the website with the inverted filter on it, which is great, but I actually didn't expect that. I wasn't sure what this would look like. I didn't know if it was going to be black and white or what. So let me just put this on quickly. Ooh. Hats just don't suit me. Like at all. Like this doesn't suit me. Like you can't tell me that this looks good on me, right? So many people rock hats, and I feel like they're such a fun fashion accessory, but like not for me. So I think I might end up returning this. It's nothing to do with the brand. It's just like it doesn't look good. No one can tell me that this right now looks good. So I don't think this is for me, but I do like the design of it, and if I was gonna wear a hat, it would be this. But I mean, I just know I'm not gonna. Next up, we have this cute little bag. I also love the packaging, by the way, of Princess Polly, but this bag has what looks to be a white dress. I can't remember what dress I ordered. Oh, is it the one sleeved dress? Oh, I think it was. Okay, so it was white. Interesting. Oh, right. Oh, it's a mesh material. Okay, so this is what the dress looks like. This is off-the-shoulder white mesh dress. Now, I did not expect this at all. I really did not think that this was going to be mesh. I thought it was going to be like a tight bodycon cotton material in a block color. White was definitely not what I expected, nor was the mesh, but I am not disappointed. I am actually intrigued to see how this looks on. I kind of stay away from white items because I tend to spill everything, just everything. So I'm very interested to see what this looks like on and if I like it. So let's go try it on. Here we have the white dress on. So this is the front and this is the back, and honestly I'm kind of disappointed in this dress. I love Princess Polly because their items are always so high quality, and you know that what you get is going to be really good, but this dress seems to be the exception to the rule because I just do not like it at all. Firstly, I don't like the one strap detail. Well, no, hang on, let me rephrase that. I love how it looks, but there's just nothing keeping this bit up. In the 10 minutes that I've had this dress on, I have flashed twice, and thank goodness no one is here, because if I was wearing that out, I would have flashed people, because there's not any like sticky material or anything to keep this dress on. So that's disappointing, and I also just think that the white color makes it look a little bit like I've just wrapped a sheet around myself. Maybe that's just me, but yeah, I'm not a big fan of this. I feel like if it was in a different color, it would have looked a lot better, but the white just isn't doing it for me, unfortunately. And honestly, if I had seen it without the inverted filter on, I probably wouldn't have bought this because I would have been able to see more what it looks like, but since I had the filter on, I obviously did not know what I was getting. And the lucky last item that I purchased with the inverted filter on was this belt. So let me take it out of the packaging. This is the belt. It's this gorgeous diamante silver belt, and I'm so incredibly happy with this because, as you guys saw, I didn't know what color I was ordering, and I was really hoping it was silver because silver is my favorite when it comes to diamante. So this will be gorgeous on a pair of jeans. It's gonna jazz up any boring outfit and just make it so fun and funky. So I'm so incredibly happy with this belt. I have been wanting one like this for ages because the one that I had broke, so I am really happy to have this. And those are all the items that I purchased with the inverted inverted filter on, and this actually went really well. It was a lot of fun shopping without knowing what I was buying, and it actually ended up with me getting some items that I usually wouldn't purchase. So I'm super excited to wear these in real life. If you do want to see that, be sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram, because that's where I post my outfits of the day. And if you want to see more videos from me, be sure to subscribe to this channel and my vlog channel, because I upload new videos on this channel every single week. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to comment down below any new videos that you want to see from me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.